Changing your primary email on IronSocket is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the IronSocket website and log in using your current email address and password. Make sure you have access to your account before proceeding. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Select email preferences. In the account settings menu, find the option for email preferences or account information. Click on this option to access your current email settings. Step 4. Update your email address. In the email preferences section, enter your new primary email address in the designated field. Ensure that the new email is valid and accessible, as you may need to verify it later. Step 5. Save changes and verify. After entering your new email, save the changes. Check your new email inbox for a verification message from IronSocket and follow the instructions to confirm the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on IronSocket will be successfully changed. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.